Okay, welcome to the digital sketching. This is warm-up, where I draw a couple of circles, some lines, and then start drawing the figure. Figure is comprising egg shape, head is like an egg shape, and then I draw with a couple of lines just arms and legs. Here I move on to the next figure, which will be like a heavyweight. I recommend this exercise for everyone in the beginning, so you can feel the weight of the body and the distribution of this weight throughout the body. It helps a lot to free your hand as well. Now I move on to the female figure, which is kind of lightweight version. As you can see, the torso is very light. Again, we are not going into so much details whilst we are sketching that, because the idea is to feel the body weight. Now I draw the ice cream. That's another idea to try to sketch somebody as an ice cream, so the proportions is very long leg and most of the weight is on upper body with a light head at the same time. Now we move on to the next sketch. That's where I come up with the birds as a very light object, and the figure proportions are like exaggerated as a bird. So small head, very long legs, make it look cartoonish and fun at the same time. Now I draw iron as a like very old metal iron, and a figure that looks like an iron a little bit. So it's a heavy weight, and it kind of feels like a steampunk a little bit. Now I'm sketching the dynamic version of the figure, because previously most of them were like a static, where weight and posture was very static, and now we are moving to the dynamic version of it. So it can be a lightweight, the one on the left, and heavyweight on the right. Heavyweight can be also dynamic, so I kind of make it feels like it's running. And this is the end of the session. Thanks for watching.